Hey Vivek, what new technology did you want to show us?
Hey Murli, this is the AG365 drone. It helps you across seasons and works for every crop. You can change the payload and nozzles according to your farming needs. With 22 minutes of flight time and 11 liters tank capacity, it can cover at least 20 acres in a day. Manual spraying on 1 acre takes 3 to 5 hours. With Marut AG365, it can be done in just 5 minutes. Marut Multicopter helps increase your yields by more than 20% while saving you from thorny fields.
But it must be expensive.
Same as a tractor. Plus, Marut drone is DGCA certified, so you can get good subsidy on it.
But what if it breaks down or hits a tree?
AG365 comes with advanced obstacle radars that follow the terrain to avoid any obstacle in the way. In case of breakdowns, Marut drone comes with an integrated app that can do troubleshooting for you. Marut service centers with experienced engineers are just a call away.
But how do I learn to fly it?
With the support of Marut Drone Academy, you can learn to fly this in just 1 week. So what are you waiting for? Get your own AG365 from Marut today.